How to get Hulu on Vizio Smart TV. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get and watch Hulu on your Vizio Smart TV, step by step. Step 1. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Turn on your Vizio Smart TV. Press the menu button on your remote. Go to Network and connect to Wi-Fi if you're not already connected. Step 2. Use the SmartCast home screen. Press the Home V button on your remote. This will open the SmartCast interface. In most newer Vizio TVs, Hulu is pre-installed. Step 3. Find and launch Hulu. Scroll through the list of apps or use the search function. Highlight Hulu and press OK to open it. If it's not showing, go to the app row All Apps or use voice search if your remote supports it. Step 4. Sign in or create an account. Once Hulu launches, sign in using your Hulu email and password. If you don't have an account, go to hulu.com on your phone or computer to sign up. What if Hulu is missing? Make sure your TV is updated. Press Menu System, check for updates. If it's an older Vizio TV, before 2016, that doesn't support SmartCast, you can still watch Hulu using a streaming device like Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV. Or cast from your phone using the Hulu app and the cast icon. Thanks for watching. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more streaming and smart TV tutorials.